quiet night is suddenly torn apart. Police pursuit pushes everything to the limit. Stolen cars at 140 miles per hour, fiery rollovers beside a cemetery, life or death confrontations, and split-second TVI decisions. Every second is a line between survival and disaster. If this makes you hold your breath, don't look away. Hit subscribe now and stay locked in for what comes next.
He's going the wrong way on 240.
On the 22nd of November 2025, Deontay Hawthorne, 34, flees in a stolen pickup truck after committing a homicide in OKC. Police tighten the net along SE 44th Street, determined to capture the dangerous suspect.
He's going to be northbound on Eastern.
Yeah, he's going the wrong way on 240.
Okay, guys, we're on 1023 the pursuit, but Air 1, keep up with it.
Hey, he's out, he's running, he's about to carjack somebody else. He's going eastbound on 240. He's trying to carjack people, guys.
After crashing on I-240, Hawthorne tried to carjack drivers at gunpoint. Officers fired to end the threat. He later died. Was this level of force necessary to ensure public safety?
Shots fired, 18 shots fired, he's down. I can't see the gun. Stand your head now!
Northbound on 540.
On the 26th of October 2025, in Fort Smith, Trooper Rome pursues a brown, unplated Malibu. Can this reckless driver really escape the relentless pressure from police?
Mark 58, coming up to, paralleling by Eufus. It's a Malibu, no 28, brown in color, coming up to Waldron and Kincaid.
On Waldron Road, officers attempt the first TVI, but it fails. The suspect weaves dangerously, showing total disregard for the lives of people in this busy area.
TBI, he drove out of it. Waldron and Grand, north. Alright, we're eastbound on Grand, headed for brown Malibu, no 28. We're in oncoming traffic, the bumper's about to come off of it. Northbound on 540.
Stop him. Rome commits to a TVI at 90 miles per hour as the suspect drives the wrong way. The car slams into a light pole, engines roaring in a dramatic impact.
Hands up right now. You fucking move, I'm gonna shoot you. You understand me? Hands up. Roll the window down. The passenger, you leave your hands up. Passenger, step out, face away from me. Step out, face away from me. Walk to your left. Walk to your left. Face away.
Jaden Tinsman, 18, is arrested for fleeing and driving without a license. Never gamble with your life over a minor violation. The price is always paid in full under the law.
Stop.
Sep 7, 2022, I-55 Arkansas. A routine stop for a speeding Pontiac. But who knew a simple traffic violation was about to ignite a chaotic and life-altering disaster on the busy freeway?
Step back in the car. Any weapons on you? Nothing in the car? No, sir. All right, so
Winford has no license, and the car reeks of weed. "Put your hands on the car," Robert shouts. Tension peaks as the suspect's lies begin to unravel right in front of the police dash cam.
step right back here. All right, listen to me. I'm gonna go ahead and place your purse up here. I'm gonna tell you your rights, okay? You're not under arrest right now. There's no fentanyl in your purse, is it?
Fentanyl? No, sir. No fentanyl in my system.
Okay, here's what I'm gonna have you do. I'm gonna have you walk up and stand with him, okay?
Just so you know, and if it is, it's in this room. I just want to let you know.
Okay, stay up here on the corner for me.
And my sister might have something in there as well.
Hey! Hey!
Suddenly, Brittany Johns hijacks the car, flooring it over 100 miles per hour on the shoulder. It's a suicide run. The officer barely has time to react before this high-speed pursuit turns deadly.
Female jumped in the car on me and took off. We're almost to the bridge. Or since she stopped in traffic.
The Pontiac split in half. Johns was caught with an active warrant. Recklessness carries a heavy price. Is any escape worth a mangled car and a life behind bars? Let us know your thoughts.
I'm not gonna get out. Oh my God, breathe, man. Oh my God, mama. Oh, split in half, mama. Oh my God, what is she doing, bro? I think.
Saturday, the 10th of August, 2024. ASP Trooper Middlecoff spots a stolen Dodge Charger on SH 158. The high-stakes pursuit ignites the moment the sirens wail, marking the start of a chaotic night.
Stop sign. Clear out, clear out.
The suspect hammers the throttle to a lethal 140 miles per hour. He's out of control, troopers shout as the Charger streaks like a bullet, weaving through traffic in a desperate gamble for freedom.
Another one that's coming. C-30, Jones, I think he wrecked out. C-4 20. Guy in looks for, he wrecked out. He got fired. He wrecked out here in Luxora.
The Hellcat loses control, flips violently, and bursts into flames. James Johns, 24, is thrown from the car and lands beside a cemetery, badly injured but alive. If that still isn't a wake-up call, nothing can save you from yourself.
No, it's nothing. This is my leg, sir. This is my right here.
Yeah, listen to me though, okay? Yeah.
What's your name, buddy? Joe?